objective rates of change, kan? Okay, and then now, okay, the idea is for this one. So rate means that involve time. Okay, involve time. Okay, over dt. Kalau let's say gini, if y equals fx, dy dx is the rate of change of y with respect to x. Y with respect to x. Y with respect to x. Okay, the rate of change of quantity q, dq t means that the rate of change of q with respect to t. If the rate of change is positive, it means that the quantity is increasing. Okay, and when the rate is change is negative, okay, rate of change positive, okay, means that the quantity is increasing. Right? The rate of change negative means that the quantity is decreasing. Okay, so ini ada baca. Okay, something like dia something tu dia become bigger ke or smaller. Kalau smaller means that negative lah. Okay, sekali dia reduce, kan, dia akan jadi negative. Okay, the rate of change dia negative. If that is bigger more bigger, maknanya the rate of change dia positive. Okay, so for this one, I introduce acronym. Acronym is DITS. Okay, DITS. D E EQ juga, EX and S. So first sama je. Draw a diagram. Okay, draw diagram. Okay, and then write an equation. Okay, yang for the quantity lah. Kita nak apa? Kan? Volume, apa? Area, quantity, and express the quantity express to single variable. Okay, and D1 is differentiate differentiate EX, and then solve. Okay, solve. Maybe solve this one to find dvdt at that one using first chain rule. Second method is direct. Direct means that implicit lah. Implicitly. Okay, so discuss both lah, chain rule and direct. Okay, so okay, ignore the solution. Tutup mata the solution. Okay, and okay, so a cube means that one is 3D, 3-dimensional, has side X. Cube, draw. Okay, what is cube? Draw. Okay, cube macam ni rupa. This is a cube. Yes, that's the cube. Okay, this is D, draw. Okay, and then say that different side is confirm lah equal side, right? Nama pun cube. Okay, kalau it's a different side jadi cuboid. Cube. And then estimate the rate involve T of the total surface. So estimate rate of the total surface. So nak something involve T over the T because of rate and total surface. Okay, so this is considered as the dt surface. This is as surface of the cube as the side increase. The side is at side. The side increase at rate. Kita tengok, this one is cm over second. So kalau cm over second, confirm something over dt. Okay, is equal to 5 cm cube. So this is side. Side is kat sini pakai x. X. So dx dt equals 5. Okay, and so now estimate ds dt when x is equal to Okay. So kita lihat. Okay. Okay. Ini. Okay. Find DSDT when side X is equal to 12 cm. So this value substitute last sekali. Last sekali. Okay, so kalau you substitute now, starting dah substitute dah, you cannot differentiate, tak ada variable lagi kan. Last sekali. And then, mana tadi? Okay. Okay. So this is diagram. Diagram. The next is equation. Ni Okay, biar dulu. Pakai A. Okay, so okay. Equation for what? Okay, S, surface. Now dia pakai A. Okay lah, tak kisahlah surface I use surface. So formula ini nak cari DS. Rate, estimate the rate of in the total surface. So kita konsep surface. Okay, apa dia surface? So how to find surface? So ini cube. Okay, it has 6 kan, face kan. Okay, dari sini. Yang ini atas dia. Okay, 1, 2. Ini tepi side, and this one is sini, sendang sini. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one is actually total area X. This one ni X squared. Surface area. Okay, ni pun X squared. So ada X squared, ada 6 times X squared. Because of surface dia semua 6 times. 6 times. Now, this one, okay, in single variable or consider EX juga. Tak kisah, EX. Then now, D1, differentiate S. DS, okay. Before that, you have to, okay, tadi two method, right? Okay, given this one, so the next is you have to method. Okay, method 1 for D1 Method 1 using chain rule. Okay, method 2, okay, using direct or implicit. Okay, so ni S is equal to 6x squared. So ds, okay, 12x. Okay, using the, okay, to find ds chain rule, dt is equal to ds over dx dot dx over dt. And substitute lah ds over dx ni, dx over ds, okay, and dx dt given dx dt, substitute, okay, substitute sini 12x times 5, okay, ini dx dt, this one is this one dx, ya, ni dx dt. So now baru consider, what is x? X given 12, baru substitute, okay, 12 cm, dan carilah, okay, 12 times 12 apa, 40, 144 times 5, 144 times 5, okay, sini saya check terus, 720 cm area per second. Okay, so this one using chain rule. Okay, ini dah solve. So dx. Okay, the next step. Okay, the next method, direct. For direct, s is equal to 6x squared. We're going to find over dt respect to t. So respect to t lah, differentiate s respect to t, differentiate this one respect to t. So this is S 6x squared. Okay, now ds dt can be cancel, and 6 is variable atau not variable, constant. Okay, direct di 12x and dx dt same like implicit. Okay, use a chain rule juga sini right. Ni yang ini, ni this one kat sini okay, this one. Okay, so d dt 6x squared. Before you can differentiate, okay, kena use the chain rule kan, d over dx. Okay, ini dia ni kena over dx and dx, right? Okay, ni dt, so 6x squared. So this one is equal to 12 lah. Ni differentiate with respect to x is equal to 12x. So now dx dt ada kat sini. Okay, jadi dia just tak kena cancel because dx over dt. So dapat same like ni lah. So substitute x and dx dt and get the answer. So up to you lah nak guna cara apa. Okay, method 1 or method 2. Chain rule or direct implicit. Sikit ni. Kalau dah ada 12 ini dx dt is 5. Okay, combine safe kan. Okay, dah dapat. Up to you dapat ni. Okay. Example 8. Cylindrical tank, cylinder cylinder. Ni tank has a base with radius 3 meter. Ni base dia 3 meter. Constant. Okay. The tank is filled with the water at the rate of. Ni tengok unit, check unit. Tak tahu apa, tapi this is rate. So confirm d over dt, confirm, tak tahu apa, but is equal to 4 meter cube over minute. So tengok ni, tengok this one, meter cube refer to V lah, belongs to V, takkan belongs to area ke perimeter, right? So confirm the given is dv dt is equal to 4 meter cube. Tengok unit Find the rate. Okay, find the rate of change of the water level. Okay, so water level is H. Dia guna H. Ini gambar tak? Okay, cancel tak tengok lagi. Okay, H. So yang ini d over dt confirm because of rate, and water level we use H lah. Okay, or T lah. You H lah kan, this is T, right? Okay, H. Okay, and then find this one. Ni. Okay, so V dVt given ds dt to find, and the radius, the cylinder base is radius. This one constant. So now idea dia draw this draw. Ni draw lah. Sekejap. Draw kat sini lah. Okay, dia boleh ancak sini tak Okay, kenapa dia? Sorry, tadi tak ingat. Boleh pun. Dia untuk save dua tadi. Dia kenapa tak boleh ancak terus kan? Okay. Okay. So now D draw. Dah ada draw, kita ikutlah ni. Draw. Okay. Yang ni base ini, base 3 meter. Okay. Now dia punya container tu pattern cylinder memang fix macam tu. Okay. And yang ubahnya is the water, air ni. Okay. Let's say water fill. Okay. Dia sumbat masuk fill. Of course the level of the water is increasing. So dia punya H dia, H ni yang kecil ni increase. Okay, memanglah dia punya the height of the cylinder is fixed lah kan, macam tu kan. Okay, dia punya the body of the cylinder fixed lah. Yang berubahnya the quantity in the water, the volume water tu dia increase lah. So here confirm dia punya ni pun R is constant lah because of cylinder kurus gitu je kan, dia tak cylinder gemuk ke apa. Okay, so now ini now find the DHDT, right? So D dah settle. EQ volume is pi R squared H, right? Okay, so ini the next is two variable RH change to express to single variable. So how to find RH ni, how to relate? Okay. R macam mana? R because R itu constant. So R equals 3 lah. Ni because dia kata constant. Bukan dia kata, memang constant, dia bekas tu constant. So R is equal to 3. Substitute lah. Okay, substitute. Okay, so V is equal to pi 3 squared H. Substitute ya. So dapat V is equal to 9 pi H. Okay, and the first is, the next is, okay, D. Okay, now here we have two methods. Two methods. Okay, method 1, method 2. Chain rule. This one is direct lah. Actually kita guna chain rule juga kan. Okay, dan ni. Okay, differentiate V respect to H 9 pi and then solve. Okay, solve. dV dt is equal to dV dH dt. We going to find dH dt. Okay, and then substitute. Substitute given info. Okay, mana info? dV dt is equal to 4 meter, and then dV dt 4, dV dH 9 pi, and to find dH dt, and dH dt is equal to 4 over 9 pi cm meter per minute. Okay, so answer is ada itu. Okay, so now the idea is, let's say, okay lah, when that one V, we have to respect V lah. Find dV dt. Sometimes the lecturer say that, oh, find this one, take this one as a subject. dH dt, dH dV dt. It's okay lah because of objective, right? Buat je lah. Okay, okay, and then ini so direct V is equal to 9 pi H. Okay, differentiate respect to T. So dV dt 9 pi dH dt. Okay, and then substitute for 9 pi dH dt. Therefore, dH dt is equal to 4 over 9 pi. Okay, so saya laju sikit lagi nak introduce number 9. It's okay, tak habis apa, tapi the idea is DITS. DITS. Okay, yang ini the above ini shows that right, circular cone radius 6 and height is 12. Cone ini constant keras gitu, and oil pump into sumbat, and that fix. This is dV dt. Ni dV dt. Okay, dV dt. Tengok dia punya unit. Find the rate of change of the height. Okay, so dH dt when the oil at level 5 H, at level 5 cm. So now the bekas is constant. Okay, constant. Yang ubahnya oil. The oil. So oil ni berubah. Maybe dia ubah oil ni, oil talking about oil. Volume of the oil berubah. Surface area kacau ni. Okay, H level of the oil berubah. Atau radius of the oil ni berubah. Kan dia berubah kat sini, sini, right? So now the soalan maybe katanya dv dt, ds surface dt, dh dt, soalan yang katanya dr dt. Now di soalan tanya dh dt. Dia given dv dt. So now sekarang ni the bekas is constant. Okay, the oil punya tu yang berubah. Kita tanya, dia talking about the oil, the rate of change of the oil, not of the bekas. The oil when oil level is 5. So guna deduct lah, kita talking about ni. Jangan confuse jangan imagine apa, bekas memang fix. Okay, so just want to show something je because of ni masuk juga. Okay, D, okay, listen D. Express equation, okay, volume, okay, volume lah, and 1/3 pi r squared h, and express the single variable. Now h, nak connect between r dan h, tak boleh. So now you ada connection between r dan h. Okay, sekarang ini kita tengok dia punya ni. Okay, ni benda kena show juga sikit okay, masa sikit. Ni ambil triangle ni, triangle 12, 6, and okay, compare dengan ratio oil punya. Oil is H R. Ambil ratio. Kalau R over H, ini over ini, so 6 over 12. Kena ambil ini over ini. Atau boleh ambil H over R, 12 over 6. Okay, dia nak height kan, so kita get rid of R. Kita ambil ni, R equals 1/2 H. Get rid of H lah. Okay, R substitute dalam ni. Okay, V 1/3 pi 1/2 H squared H, and then 1/3 1/12 okay, pi H cube, and D is differentiate with respect to, cari terus with respect to T, 1/4 pi okay, H squared D H D T. I take the direct one. Okay, so D H G D D ni 10 1/4 pi H dia 5 squared, and to find DH dt, cari therefore DH dt, cari ni 10 40 over 25 pi is equal to, bagi ke bawah lagi, dia ingat DH dt is equal to 8 over 5. Oh, dia tak cari, tak apalah. cm per second. Dah, okay, the idea. And you try to use chain rule to find DH dt. Okay, settle, that's all.